Welcome to the Biswap Education Hub. Today you will start earning with Biswap Double Launchpools. Open the Launchpools tab. Connect your wallet app. Perform the approval process to activate the Double Launch Pool. Confirm the transaction in your wallet's notification. You will need to wait until the blockchain processes your transaction. Pay attention, you must have 500 BSW or more in holder pool to make the plus button active. Check your holder pool balance. Stake the required amount of tokens. Press the plus button to stake BSW tokens. Enter the desired amount and click confirm. Confirm the transaction in your wallet's notification. Since all the conditions were met, the double launch pool buttons became active. Press the plus button to stake BSW tokens. Enter the desired amount and click confirm. Confirm the transaction in your wallet's notification. Wait until the blockchain processes your transaction. Congratulations! Your BSW have started generating income in 2 tokens. It's easy to get the tokens you've earned back. Press the harvest button to get your rewards. Confirm the transaction in your wallet's notification. Wait until the blockchain processes the transaction. Great job! Your wallet balance has increased. By the way, you can add the new token to your wallet app in a few clicks. If you want to get your staked BSW tokens back, press the minus button. Enter the desired amount and click confirm. Confirm the transaction in your wallet's notification. Wait until the blockchain processes your transaction. Congratulations! You have just learned how to use Biswap Double Launchpools and maximize your passive income with double rewards.
Thank you for watching. If it was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's go all the way to stellar education together.